The Adventures of King Arthur.
Look at King Arthur as he takes a leisurely stroll on a gloomy afternoon. Days like this remind him of his time in old England. Good day, sir. Oh, good day to you. Carry on, then. Fresh out of the gate, our good king wastes no time with his business of the day. Not here, your majesty. But I am the king. I go everywhere. And I will, he claims. King Arthur proceeds to pee on every bush in sight. Well, not every bush, but almost all of the bushes. Picnic tables, grass patches, stumps, trees, sometimes twice on the same tree. My goodness, Your Highness, your leg lifting is the stuff of legend. You haven't seen anything yet. Well, bravo, Your Highness. You are the greatest. Exhausted from the day's work, His Majesty orders his servant to lift him back onto his yacht. Let's go then, hurry up. A legend indeed.